Our head coach is Mazir Parawali, and we also have Naeem Vizio, who will act as the interpreter for this press conference. So, the coach, if you can tell us your thoughts on the Nepal game. Your thoughts on the Nepal team.
On the Nepal. راجب تیم نپال. وقتتون بخیر. فکر می‌کنم در کل این تورنمنت بسیار خوبی بود با حضور تیم‌های هند و نپال. تیم نپال هم تیم خوبیه، ما آخرین بار ازشون باختیم. ولی اومدیم که اون ضعف‌ها رو برطرف کنیم. امیدوارم که فردا شاهد یه بازی خیلی خوب باشیم.
She says that good afternoon to everyone. And she says that this tournament totally is very good tournament, and I think that the Nepal is very good team. And the last time we lose from this team, but now we come to recognize ourselves and to be good in this tournament. I think that tomorrow we have watch a good match.
We open the floor for the press now if anyone has any questions.
You will be treating Nepal, how you treat Nepal after you defeated India from team.
What are your plans against Nepal after defeating India?
After the win of the India, what's our planning for the Nepal? بعد از اینکه شما هند رو بردین، الان برنامه‌ریزیتون برای نپال چیه؟
خب بازی هند و ایران بازی خیلی خوبی بود. بعد از اون بازی تمرکزمون گذاشتیم روی بازی نپال. نقاط ضعف و قوتمون رو توی هند دیدیم. سعی می‌کنیم که اونا رو برطرف کنیم و بازی قابل قبول‌تری رو روی نپال انجام بدیم.
She says that the match between Iran and India was a very good match, and after that we try to recognize our power and weakness point of ourselves, and try to resolve our weakness point and try to win the Nepal.
You scored 2 goals against India, and can we expect more goals against more bad India when you take on Nepal tomorrow?
You scored 2 goals in India, so how many are you planning to score against them?
یعنی که شما 2 تا گل به ایندیا زدین، برنامه چیزتون پیش بینی تو برنامه‌تونه که چند تا گل به نپال بدین؟
قابل پیش بینی نیست فوتبال. امیدوارم که بازی خوبی انجام بدیم.
She's football. I can't I can't show. I can't know about the score of the Nepal, and football is like this.
You already played once against Nepal.
شما فقط قبلا یه بار با نپال بازی کردین؟
آخرین بار نه بازی کردیم، ولی تو این چند سال اخیر یک.
No, we have many matches with Nepal, but in the 2 last years ago, I think only one.
Do you think it will be very easy for you? Very easy?
No. میگن که فکر میکنید که فردا خیلی بازی آسونیه برای شما.
No.
If anyone else has any questions?
Who do you think is a better, is a tougher competitor between India and Nepal?
Which team do you think is more tough, India or Nepal? Who is more tough?
برای هر دو تیم احترام زیادی قائلم و فکر می‌کنم هر دو تیم خوب.
She says that we respect to both teams and we think that both of them is very good.
Yes.
So as Shalom is now hosting this tournament, and we know the government of Meghalaya is putting a lot of effort in promoting women's football. So would you like to share any message to the government of Meghalaya and also the people of our region?
Government and
any message for the government of Meghalaya? They are developing.
Government of India.
Meghalaya.
Shillong.
Yeah, they are developing.
Any message to government of the میگن هیچ پیامی برای
the government of Meghalaya is
Shillong?
putting a lot of efforts in development of women's football.
آها.
So for any message for that?
میگن که هیچ پیامی واسه مثلا این دولت مردای این شیرون چیز داریم در اینکه مثلا برای فوتبال بانوان.
خیلی خوشحالم که توی مسابقات شرکت کردم و تبریک میگم بهشون. بسیار حمایت میکنن بانوانو و کار فوق‌العاده بودی و من به عنوان یک بانو ازشون تشکر میکنم که بانوانو حمایت میکنن.
Just a little.
She says that I'm very happy to attend this tournament and such as a woman, I'm very happy and I'm proud of them and we say them this is very good that to cover the women football and this is very good condition.
According to the question, we are a matrilineal society here, matrilineal state here, where women are given more importance. And how we can improve women's football here? What much progress has been made?
He's asking, here in Shillong, they give women's football more importance, women more importance. So,
Women football is very important here.
yeah, more important than men's. So, what do you think?
More important, more than
Yeah.
men.
So, what do you think they can do more?
Here, the football in the women is more important than men. And
What can they do more to them?
میگن که اینجا فوتبال بانوان مهمتر از فوتبال آقایونه. شما برای اینکه بهتر بشه چه فکری دارید؟
خیلی خوشحالم که اینو میشنوم ولی و فکر میکنم که این بازی‌ها و این تورنمنت ها خیلی کمک میکنه به بالا بردن سطح فوتبال بانوان.
She says that I'm very happy to hearing this and I think that like this tournament and like this match help very a lot to better to be better to the women football be better.
من توی باشگاهی هم توی باشگاهی بازی میکنم که اون باشگاه اولویت نسبت به آقایون و هم خواهران.
She says that in Iran in the league that she is the head coach of that team in this city the football of women is more important than men.
That's
Anyone else have any more questions? Okay, thank you so much, Coach. All the best for the game.
Thank you.
Thank you.
if you can please hold the ball.
Yes.
Excellent.
Yeah.